This is a summary of pages 135 through 142, and I like to call this Scapegoat. So Montag finally reaches the homeless intellectuals as he follows the path of the railroad, and he's introduced to Granger. Granger tells Montag to drink a special liquid, and it's bitter, and he basically tells Montag that this is to help the hound to not track him anymore, that it's going to actually change his scent and what the scent his body gives off. Which isn't actually going to be a good smell when you do the reading. They all watch the televised news because Montag is really surprised as to why they know his name, and then they show him that they've been watching him via the TV. And Granger informs Montag that the town will create a scapegoat to ensure that the town that the mechanical hound has caught its prey. So what a scapegoat is, you guys, is basically it's in this part of the novel, Montag has ran away. He's there's no way really at this point the mechanical hound can swim into the river and follow where he went. So they diverted the mechanical hound to kill an innocent person in their society, and they did research on which individual this would be if anything came to this point. This poor innocent guy, was just in the book he's smoking, and all of a sudden the mechanical hound launches at him and kills him. And it's blurry, so it's not that they focus on this man's face, so it can definitely look like it was Montag. And the mechanical hound's search for Montag looks successful, and that's exactly what the town wants all the people to believe, to make sure to keep the security and to keep everyone controlled. So Montag sees this, and then it's really disturbing the fact that this town this society uses an innocent person just to prove a point and to keep control of their citizens in the society. But definitely read. It's a good read. It's an exciting part of the book. Thank you so much, and have a great day.